It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hello everyone and welcome to Technology with AK. In this new video, I'll teach you guys how to install Bluetooth drivers. Here you can see in the settings, Bluetooth and other devices, there is no button for turning off or on the Bluetooth, as there is no Bluetooth in this device. So we'll install it. First of all, open Chrome and search for Bluetooth drivers. Here's the link, it will be in the description below as well. Click on the first link, open it, and now here are the downloads. This is for Windows 10 64-bit and Windows 11 as well, and this is for Windows 10 32-bit. I have 64-bit, so I'll just download this, accept the terms of the license agreement, and the download has been started. Okay, now it's downloaded. Just click on this arrow and click on show in folder, and here's the file. Just open this file, click on next, now it's preparing to install. Then again click on next, accept the terms, click on next, click on complete, then click on install. Now it's getting installed. Now click on finish. Now just close all these, and now see the Bluetooth button of turning on or off is now appeared in the Bluetooth and other devices in the settings, as the Bluetooth driver is installed in the computer now. So enough for today. If the video was helpful, so please like the video and subscribe to the channel, please. Bye bye.